Hello Euanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today, gagawa tayo ng napakasarap na cheese stick na patok na pang negosyo. At ito ang ating mga ingredients: 2 eggs, cheese, all-purpose flour, optional cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, breadcrumbs, oil for frying, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Now, i-cut lang natin yung cheese into long, medium, thick sticks. Now, prepare natin yung ating gagamitin sa pag-coating sa cheese. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and then yung cornstarch is optional. Pwedeng hindi nyo nalagyan. So, nilagyan ko ng cornstarch para mas malutong ito. And then, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper and salt. And then, i-mix natin ito para mas masarap yung lasa pag kinain natin yung cheese stick. Then, set aside lang natin ito. And then, prepare din natin yung ating breadcrumbs. So, maglagay muna tayo ng 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. So, later na lang yung pag-a-add natin pag naubos na yung breadcrumbs. And then, in the bowl, so, ibit natin yung 2 eggs. And then, lagyan natin ito ng 2 to 3 tablespoon of water. And then, mix it well lang natin. Ibit lang natin mabuti. Ayan, naka-prepare na yung ating gagamitin. So, first, dip natin sa flour, and then sa egg mixture natin, and then sa ating breadcrumbs. Then, babalik natin ito, idip ulit natin sa egg mixture again, and then sa breadcrumbs, para kumapal yung breadcrumbs nito at maging crunchy. So, repeat lang natin yung process hanggang maubos natin yung mga cheese stick ng ating nahiwa. Ayan, nakagawa po tayo ng 45 pieces na cheese stick. But bago natin i-fry, so ilagay muna natin ito sa freezer for 1 hour para mas kumapit yung coating dun sa cheese. After 1 hour, yan, pwede na natin lutuin ito in a medium fire. Yan, lagay natin si kawali, and then lagyan natin ito ng ating oil. Now, lulutuin natin ang ating cheese stick na batches para hindi ito magsiksikan sa ating kawali. Then, flip lang natin yung ating cheese stick occasionally hanggang maluto ito. So, hintayin nyo maging golden brown, and then lagay natin sa strainer para mag-drain yung ating oil. Ayan, luto na ang ating cheese stick. Napakasarap nitong iserve, lalong-lalo na kung mainit ito. So, pwede nyo ito ipang negosyo. Ibenta ninyo ng 3, 12, 5, 20. Depende po sa inyong costing. Ayan, mas sasarap ang ating cheese stick kung lalagyan natin ito ng ketchup. Yummy! It's sticky man time! Yummy! Very crunchy po ang ating cheese stick. So, Euanimous Friends, if you find this video a really big help or very interesting, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you. I promise. I love you. Until next video. Bye!